Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to Darul Arqam School. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to study Social Studies of Class 4. But before starting the reading, you must have the pencil in your hand to write the date. Today we are going to study Social Studies Class 4. Today we will do the reading of lesson number 1. First of all, we will write date on top of the page. Lesson number 1, the Earth. Our Earth is a very tiny part of the universe. It is a part of solar system and the third planet from the sun. Earth is shaped like a sphere. It is slightly flat at the north and south poles. Long ago, people thought that the Earth was flat. Later on, scientists proved that the Earth is spherical in shape. The geographers have divided the Earth into different regions. Latitude and longitude. To know the exact location. Next topic is latitude and longitude. To know the exact location of a place on Earth, we should have some fixed points. In order to get these fixed points, we use a set of imaginary lines. We imagine that surface of the Earth is divided by lines or curves running east, west and north to south. These imaginary lines are called latitude and longitude respectively. Next is equator. Equator is an imaginary line across the center of the earth. The equator divides the earth with an equal distance between the north and south poles into two hemispheres. Hemi means half. The part above the equator is called northern hemisphere and the part below is called the southern hemisphere. The total surface area of the earth is approximately 510,072,000 square kilometer. The earth is said to be about 4.5 billion years old. Next, on the next page, page number 5, latitude. The lines that circle the globe horizontally are called latitude, like that. These are horizontal lines, okay? These lines are drawn above and below the equator. The distance between these lines is always the same. There are 90 lines to the north of the equator and 90 lines to the south of the equator. Next is longitude. The lines that circle the globe vertically are called longitude. The basic purpose of these lines is to divide the earth into different time zones. The line to 0 degree longitude passing through England, Greenwich, is called prime meridian. The time in different parts of the earth is determined with reference to this line. Next is axis. The earth has an imaginary line running through its center from the north pole to the south pole. This line is called axis and the earth is tilted at 23.5 degree on its axis and takes a full day of 24 hours to spin around it. This spinning is called rotation. We say that earth rotates on its axis. What if the earth axis had not been tilted? Firstly, if the axis had not been tilted, we would have had days and nights of equal lengths. Because of this tilt, days and nights are of different lengths. Secondly, we would have had only one season throughout the year. Because of this tilt, we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter.